Hello guys, I am Anam Patel pursuing my BCom from NMIMS Global Access. So today I'll teach you fourth chapter of MSCIT, which is System Software. Let's get to the chapter. System software is a type of a computer program that is designed and made to run a computer's hardware and application program. It's not a single program. It contains 4 programs. Let's get to the 4 programs, which are operating system, utilities, device drivers and language translators, which is displayed on your screen. Let's learn more about operating system. Operating system is nothing but a collection of programs that handle all your technical tasks as your functions. It also helps to run applications. In functions, you'll learn manager resources, providing user interface, graphical user interface, in abbreviation form, which is also called as GUI. It helps to run applications like you can do multitasking, foreground and background application, the applications you can run on your screen and behind the screen as well. Done with that, and moving for features of an operating system. So you must be aware about booting. Like booting is basically the starting of computer. It contains warm booting and cold booting. Warm booting refers to restarting of computer and cold booting refers to first time starting of computer. Features in common with application software. You must be aware about all these features which displays on your screen, and as you are using multiple applications on your desktop, you must aware about icons, pointer, windows, menus, tabs, dialog box, help and gesture controls. These are nothing but features of an operating system. Files and folder also comes in features of operating system, like file shares data and programs, folder stores related files, like you are sharing all your files with somebody, your friend, or you are moving your file from one place to another. It comes in features of operating system. Now let's get to categories of operating systems. There are 3 basic categories of operating system, which is embedded operating system, standalone operating system and network operating system. Embedded operating system, it comes the examples of embedded operating systems are smartphones, smartwatches, video game system. These are embedded operating system. We don't have to additionally plug or connect anything from outside. It's made by the company itself. Standalone operating system, it comes under like laptops and computers. It also called as desktop operating system, and the end one is network operating system. In simple word, you can say it linked computers, like Windows Server, Linux, Unix. These are all the examples of network operating system. OS stored on network server, which coordinates all the communication between other computers. Like there would be one server and many computers connected to that particular server, and you can run all the leftover computers through one server. This is the example of network operating system. Now we have learned about the desktop operating system. Now we have to learn about the mobile operating system. As the desktop has its operating system, the mobile it also has its operating system. Mobile operating system, in short we can say mobile OS. It's an example of, as we learned before, हम जब कैटेगरीज ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पढ़ रहे थे और उसमें भी हमने पढ़ा था एम्बेडेड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. सो उसका एक एग्जाम्पल था मोबाइल था, उसका एक एग्जाम्पल. सो द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज्ड इन मोबाइल इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज एम्बेडेड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. It's less complicated and more specialized for wireless. Remember this point. Some of the best known operating system for mobile is Android, iOS and Windows Phone. Let's get towards desktop operating system. Operating system commonly used by many individuals, right? Even you and I, we always use operating systems. So in computer, the names of the operating systems are Windows, Mac OS, Unix and Linux. Let's deep learn about that. In short, Windows is the most widely used operating system. All over, in from 100%, 80% uses Windows. 80 to 85 we can say, and Mac OS is used by the leftovers, like it's comes in luxurious products, so that's why rich people mostly use Mac OS. It's a powerful operating system, plus easy to use, and it has a great security. Let's get towards Unix and Linux. Unix is a network, and it's originally designed for webs only, same as Linux. It's not proprietary, but it's a free from web. Even you can access it. Now see the difference between Windows and Macs. These are the operating systems. So let's deeply learn about this. Windows 10 merges Windows desktop and mobile operating system. It's almost the same. Mac OS runs only on Apple computers, most innovative operating system. Even in Windows you can change your software, like you can from Windows 8 you can make it Windows 9, Windows 10 and Windows 11 as well. But Mac OS is only made and specialized for Apple products and Apple computers. Unix operating system. Unix operating system, these are the key points of Unix operating system. It serves only for the webs, mainframe computers and personal computers. Unix is Linux is a version of Unix only, gradually it had made. Its key points are alternative to Windows, open sources, like it's free, as I stated you before, that even you can access it, so it's called as open source. Google Chrome OS is based on Linux only. You are everybody of us using Google Chrome, so it's based on Linux operating system only. It focuses on internet connectivity and cloud computing, which is rapidly growing nowadays. Speed is determined by the speed of its internet itself, so you don't have to worry about it. Now we'll go for virtualization. I think you might be aware about virtualization. Like in most of the computer labs now, they use virtualization only. What is virtualization? Virtualization is the ability to support multi-operating system on a single physical machine. Virtualization softwares are, each virtual machine appears as a separate independent computer. At first it hosts operating system, and second is guest operating system. Now move toward utilities. Utilities is the basic, and it presents in each and every operating system. It's specialized program to make computing easy. Most essential utilities are mentioned here. You can see on your screen. It's troubleshooting or diagnostic programs. Troubleshooting recognize all our programs, and it gives us the steps to correct that program. It guides us how to correct that program. Next is antivirus program. Antivirus program, what its action are? It guards our computer against viruses. Viruses can invade in your computer system at any cost or at any times. So what you have to do, you have to just purchase or put antivirus program in your device, and then antivirus find out your problem and it can solve itself also. Next is backup programs. Backup programs, you guys are well aware about backup programs. In mobiles also we use that backup programs a lot. We restore or are deleted or temporarily deleted files through backups. The backup programs, what does it is, if your copies, it stores your copies of file if necessary. If by mistake, if some files are deleted through you, so through backup programs you can restore it back to your device. And next is file compression programs. File compression programs, what it plays a role in your computer system? Generally it reduces the size of your file, so you can have with more space, or you can store more things or more stuff in your device. Now moving forward for Windows utilities. What are Windows utilities? Windows operating system includes utilities such as this file history, disk cleanup, disk refragmenter. What is the function of file history? File history, it creates the backup for your hard drive. It stores each and everything what you have done in your Windows. What is the task of disk cleanup now? Disk cleanup, it identifies and eliminates eliminates non-essential files, the files which are not in the use, or you are not using it for a long duration of time. So it comes under disk cleanup. Now moving for defragmenter. It rearranges all your files and unused disk place to optimize performances. So next is file history, like it's in more detail. You can see on your screen, and you can learn through this only. So last but not the least is utility suites. What are utility suites? It is the combo that several programs into one package you can get. You have to purchase that. First thing is that, okay, you have to purchase these suites for your computer, so it can run more faster or efficiently, and it's less expensive. It's like not more expensive, so you can purchase it. And some of the popular suites are Bitdefender, Norton Utilities, Kaspersky. So yes, we are end with the chapter. Hope you understand this. Thank you so much.